Have you ever held a US dollar bill in your hand and wondered how something so common can also be one of the most protected products in the world? Every day, billions of dollars move through banks, ATMs, stores, airports, casinos, and businesses across the planet. But behind every single note is a highly secretive and extremely controlled manufacturing process involving special paper, hidden security features, giant printing machines, precision inspections, and strict government protection. Printing money is not like printing a normal document. A dollar bill is designed to survive folding, moisture, dirt, and even counterfeit attempts. In fact, modern US currency contains multiple hidden security elements that are extremely difficult to copy. And all of this production happens inside one of the most secure printing systems in the world. The journey of a US dollar bill begins with a special type of paper. Surprisingly, dollar bills are not made from ordinary wood paper. Instead, US currency paper is made mainly from cotton and linen fibers. This special material makes the notes more durable and gives them their unique texture. The paper production process itself is highly controlled. Cotton and linen fibers are cleaned, blended, and processed into large sheets. During this stage, special security fibers and watermarks may also be added, depending on the denomination. These tiny embedded features help prevent counterfeiting and make the bills easier to verify. Once the paper is ready, it is sent to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, also known as the BEP. This is the government agency responsible for printing US paper currency. Security inside these facilities is extremely strict. Workers, materials, machines, and printed sheets are all monitored carefully. Now, the real printing process begins. The first major stage is background printing. Large printing presses apply subtle background colors and designs onto the currency sheets. Modern US bills contain detailed patterns, fine lines, and complex color combinations that are difficult for counterfeiters to reproduce accurately. After background printing, the sheets move to the intaglio printing stage. This is one of the most important parts of currency production. Intaglio printing uses engraved metal plates and high pressure to press ink into the paper surface. This creates the slightly raised texture you can feel when touching a real dollar bill. This stage prints major details such as portraits, borders, text, and large design elements. Because the printing plates are engraved with incredible detail, the final result contains extremely fine lines and patterns. These details are very difficult to duplicate using ordinary printers or scanners. During printing, special inks are also used. Some inks may shift color when viewed from different angles, while others react under ultraviolet light. Security threads, microprinting, and hidden design features may also be added, depending on the denomination being printed. At this point, the sheets already begin looking like real money, but they are still incomplete. Next comes inspection. This stage is far more advanced than most people imagine. Automated inspection systems scan every printed sheet at high speed. Cameras and sensors check alignment, color accuracy, print clarity, security features, and defects. Even tiny printing errors can cause a sheet to be rejected. If defects are found, the entire sheet may be removed and destroyed under strict supervision. The goal is absolute consistency and security. Treasury seals and Federal Reserve indicators are also added during this stage. Now another round of inspection begins. Machines once again check print quality, serial number accuracy, ink consistency, and alignment. US currency printing standards are extremely strict because even small mistakes can affect security and public trust. After passing inspection, the large printed sheets are dried carefully. The ink must fully settle before the paper can move to the next stage. Temperature and humidity are controlled to prevent damage or smudging. Once dried, the sheets move into cutting systems. Large currency sheets are cut into individual bills using high-precision machines. These machines must cut with extreme accuracy, so every bill has the exact same dimensions. At this point, the notes finally begin to look like real circulating money. But the process is still not complete. The next stages involve counting, bundling, packaging, final verification, secure storage, and distribution to Federal Reserve banks across the United States. And this is where printed paper officially begins its transformation into real money that will eventually enter wallets, banks, businesses, and economies around the world. After the cutting stage, the individual bills move into automated counting and stacking systems. These machines count the notes at extremely high speed, while also checking for size, alignment, and printing defects. If even one bill appears damaged, misprinted, or incorrectly cut, it is automatically removed from the batch. Once counted, the bills are stacked into standard bundles. These bundles are wrapped tightly and labeled with tracking information, such as denomination, production batch, and serial data. This allows every group of bills to be tracked throughout the distribution process. Now comes one of the most secure stages: final verification. Before the currency leaves the facility, additional inspections are performed using advanced scanners and security systems. Officials verify print quality, serial number accuracy, security threads, color consistency, and embedded anti-counterfeit features. The goal is to ensure that every note entering circulation meets official U.S. currency standards. After approval, the bundles are packed into secure containers and moved into heavily protected vaults inside the printing facility. Security in these areas is extremely strict. Surveillance systems, restricted access zones, armed protection, and tracking systems help prevent theft or unauthorized handling. From the vaults, the money is prepared for transportation to Federal Reserve banks across the United States. Special armored vehicles are used to transport the currency under high security. Once the Federal Reserve receives the money, it is distributed to commercial banks and financial institutions.
Eventually, the bills begin entering circulation through ATMs, bank withdrawals, cash transactions, salaries, businesses, airports, casinos, and stores. A single dollar bill may travel through thousands of hands during its lifetime before finally being removed from circulation due to wear and damage. Old or damaged notes are collected by banks and returned to the Federal Reserve, where they are destroyed and replaced with newly printed bills. This cycle continues constantly to maintain the quality and security of U.S. currency. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey of how U.S. dollars are printed, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing factory and production videos. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our next video. See you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.